In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the header image in Shopify. Your header image, sometimes called the banner image, is usually the first thing visitors see when they land on your store. So updating it is a quick way to refresh your brand and make a strong first impression. I'll walk you through each step slowly so you can follow along in your own Shopify dashboard. First, log into your Shopify account and go to your main Shopify dashboard. This is the home screen where you can see an overview of your store, orders, and sales. From here, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Online Store. This is where you manage everything related to your storefront and themes. Under Online Store, you'll see your current theme. Next to it, there will be a button labeled Customize. Go ahead and click on Customize. This will open the theme editor, which lets you change how your store looks without touching any code. On the left-hand side of the theme editor, you'll see a list of sections that make up your page. Look for the section labeled Image Banner or something similar, usually found under the template area for your homepage. Click on that section to open the settings for your header image. Inside the Image Banner section, you'll typically see options for different images, like Image 1 and sometimes Image 2. Hover over Image 1. If there's already an image there, you'll see an option to change it. If there isn't one yet, you'll see an option to select an image. Click on that. A new window will open with options. Choose Select from Library. This will take you to your Shopify media library, where all your uploaded images are stored. Take a moment to pick an image that's high quality, matches your brand colors, and is wide enough to look good as a header. When you've found the one you want, click on it to select it. After you've chosen your image, click on Done to confirm your selection and return to the theme editor. You should now see your new header image appear in the preview on the right. Finally, don't forget to click on the Save button in the top right corner of the editor. This makes your changes live on your store. Once it's saved, your new header image is officially updated and visible to your customers.